How I earn $20 free crypto in minutes. In today's digital world, earning free cryptocurrency has become surprisingly easy if you know where to look. Many people still believe that making money in crypto requires heavy investments or trading knowledge, but that's not always true. I personally managed to earn around $20 worth of free crypto in just a few minutes, and here's exactly how I did it. I started by researching trusted platforms that offer sign-up rewards, airdrops, or referral bonuses. These platforms are usually trying to attract new users, so they give away small amounts of crypto to encourage engagement. I focused on well-known exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance, and OKX, as they regularly launch learn and earn campaigns or welcome bonuses. The process was simple. I created an account, verified my email, and sometimes completed a short KYC verification. Next, I participated in learn and earn programs, where you watch short educational videos about blockchain or a specific crypto project and then answer a few questions. Each correct answer rewards you with a small amount of crypto, which adds up quickly. In less than 15 minutes, I had already earned my first few dollars in tokens like SOL, AVAX, and USDT. After that, I joined Airdrop campaigns, which reward users for completing small social tasks such as following official accounts on X, Twitter, joining Telegram channels, or sharing posts. These tasks may sound simple, but many projects give $5 to $10 in crypto just for participating. I made sure to only choose verified projects with active communities to avoid scams. Finally, I used referral bonuses. Many exchanges offer between $5 to $20 when you invite a friend who registers and completes a small trade. I shared my referral link with 2 close friends who were interested in crypto, and within an hour, I received another $10 worth of rewards. By combining these simple steps, sign-up rewards, learn and earn programs, airdrops, and referrals, I easily reached around $20 of free crypto in total, all in less than 30 minutes of effort. However, there's an important reminder: always stay safe. Never share your private keys, avoid websites that ask for wallet access, and make sure the platform is legitimate before you connect your crypto wallet. Free crypto is exciting, but protecting your assets is far more important. In the end, earning free crypto isn't just about the money, it's about learning how the blockchain ecosystem works while building your digital assets from zero. If you start smart and stay cautious, you can turn a few minutes of your time into real crypto rewards, just like I did.